Hey, it's Aaron. What's going on? If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Timebucks, okay? And maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really make money just by doing all these little things right here? Very, very simple, it looks like, right? Let's find out exactly what this is. Is it legit, or are there better ways to make money online out there, right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link right below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's find out how good Timebucks is and whether you should use it or maybe it's a waste of time. Let's check it out, all right? So Timebucks is a very large, what's called a GPT website. Get paid to do something, okay? So there are a lot of different things you can do. For example, you can do different tasks, you can play games, you can install apps, you can answer surveys, and we're gonna log in right here so you can see exactly how this works. The nice thing that I like about Timebucks is that it's one of the OGs, right, of the GPT world. It's been around for a very long time. They do pay out. They paid out millions of dollars to their users, and basically this is available globally, which is very nice, okay? So you can just go ahead and click on here, sign up. They're gonna need some of your details, and once you log in, you're basically going to see a platform like this, right? And there's a few things that you can do. So if you come to earn right here, okay, the first thing that you can do is you can fill out surveys. All right, now the important thing to understand with surveys is that the amount of surveys you get access to really depends on your location. So generally speaking, if you live in a big English speaking country like the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, you will generally get a lot of surveys, okay? But unfortunately for me, I don't get access to a lot of surveys because of my location, right? I have access to one basically, and it's only going to pay me 10 cents for 6 minutes, which is actually really little, all right? Now, generally the surveys you'll see here, these are people filling out different surveys. They range in prices, right? It's pretty standard. You know, I've reviewed so many GPT websites till today, and for surveys, they range anywhere from a few cents to $1 or $2 per survey, right? But the majority of surveys that you'll get, if you live in a country where you can actually get access to surveys, because you can see a lot of them are based in the US, right? Generally, they will hover around 10 cents to about 50 cents, okay? So you can see here, right? So this is like 4 cents, this is 80 cents, that's quite a lot for a survey, okay? 7 cents, 33 cents, 16 cents, 23 cents. This is a really good survey, $2.70, which is very rare, by the way, okay? 8 cents, 10 cents. So you can see, right, $1.70, not bad. So a lot of the surveys will range around the, a few cents to about 50 cents mark, right? But it's a good way to fill out surveys. But again, unfortunately, there's no way to increase the amount of surveys because it's 100% based on your IP and the location you're based in the world, okay? So if you have access to surveys, then it's a pretty cool way to earn a little bit of extra money here, okay? Now, another way, if you come to content, is by clicking on ads, okay? So you can watch ads and you can click on the ads and things like that. And again, it depends on how many offers that you have right here. This one is the one that I have, right? And it's really, really little, okay? So I could watch this, I'll click on it, I view the ad for 5 seconds, and then I will basically make not even 1 cent. This is like a third of a cent. Okay, it's very little money. So basically, I would have to watch 3 of these ads to make close to 1 cent, if that makes sense, right? So that's roughly generally about the way that it works, okay? They've got some other ones here, engage, this one right here. They've got push clicks as well, okay? If they're available to you, sometimes they're not available to you. It depends on the country. The problem though with Timebucks is that with the click ads here, a lot of the time they don't have that many available. So on that particular day, you might only have access to 1 or 2 or 3, right? So if you only have access to 1 or 2, then you're making less than 1 cent for every single ad that you watch, which is kind of unfortunate. It's not that much money, right? Okay, then the next thing is tasks, okay? So tasks are pretty cool, okay? So basically this is Microtask, where the community here are basically asking you to do certain things, all right? So it's kind of like a Microtask, job portal, right? So for example, with this one, it says install Temu and place a small order. So like for this one, it's not only downloading Temu, but I have to order something, I have to buy something, right? So I have to spend my own money. But if I do that, they're gonna pay me $1 and 60 cents, 62 cents, right? $1.62, right? So it's okay, but if you don't want to spend money, then this is not a good way to do it, right? This one, have a chance to sign up and win a mystery box prize. You just sign up with an email, 5 minutes, you get 21 cents, right? Refer a friend to Timebucks hourly. You get 10 cents for that. Sign up to Y Cents, which is basically a survey website. You get 68 cents. Okay. Sign up with the email, complete one survey, or offer up to $1. Okay. So you have to make sure that you actually fill that out. It takes 30 minutes, and then you can make 68 cents. So this one is pretty cool. It doesn't pay super well. I mean, look, some of them are really little. Like, follow this Crazy Clips Telegram channel, and you make basically less than 1 cent. You know, you make like 1/7 of a cent, basically, right? This one here, follow another channel, same price. Complete a survey here, 7 cents, right? Complete a survey here, 50 cents. Complete a survey here, 96 cents. So I'm getting access to more surveys on this particular side compared to the survey side, which is interesting. Okay, so you're gonna have to look around, because sometimes it just depends on your country and how it's set up, right? But the task section is a pretty cool section to earn a little bit more money. Now, the thing that I like about Timebucks is they're very open and honest with how much money that you're gonna make and how much time it's gonna take. Okay, so sometimes you can earn a little bit, sometimes you can earn very little. It just really depends, all right? Then you can refer people as well. And then a big one is called offer walls. Now, offer walls is very standard on a GPT website, right? So they work with a lot of very large providers like BitLabs, Ascend Media, Pixel Point TV, Lootably, AdGate Media. You know, I've seen all of these guys many times, right? And it depends. So sometimes if you click on one of them, it may give you a lot of options to download offers, but again, depending on your country, you may or may not get a lot. All right, so for this one, let's just say I'm an iPhone user. I'm gonna save selection here, and then it's gonna show me some offers, right? So for example, it says here, look at, you know, and some of these numbers look quite nice, right? $20 here, $22 here, $29 here. But before you get super duper excited, just understand with downloading offers, it does require you to do quite a lot of things, okay? So I'm gonna have a look into this. I'm gonna accept all, right? And for the Monopoly Go, they can really pay you up to $20 in total, but you have to do certain things, okay? So for example, first of all, you have to install it directly through Timebucks, right? And then you have to hit certain milestones in the game. So if I reach board number 5, they will pay me 16 cents. If I reach board 12, they will pay me another 7 cents. If I reach board 19, they will pay me 16 cents. So the money doesn't really start to get big until much later. Look, in order for me to make $3.25, I have to reach board 126. Now, you have to ask yourself this question, right? Yes, it is good that they're paying you a little bit of money for playing the game, but how long is it going to take you to reach board 126? Now, it depends on how good at you are at playing games, right? Some people will suck at this, and they're never going to get even past board 5, right? But some people might be really good, and they might get to board 100, or maybe even board 300, and you'll get the whole offer. But how long is that going to take you? This might take you weeks, okay? Days and weeks and hours of playing the game. So yes, it is free money here, but you have to be able to spend a lot of time and be very good at the game for you to win the actual bonus. Does that make sense, right? And a lot of these are the same thing too, okay? So for example, like the Vegas Casino, they'll pay you up to $22 for this offer, but you're gonna have to reach certain levels. Look at this. To make $14 here, you have to reach a level 100. Now that's going to take you a little bit of time, okay? A lot of commitment. But the nice thing is that you're basically getting paid to play games, which is nice, right? So don't expect a ton of money, even though it looks pretty enticing here, because some of these, they're quite hard for you to reach the certain milestones. Like Wishing Well, for example, check that out. Look, you got to reach 5,000 meters to get the $18. Right? If you reach the lower levels, you're making very little money, like 1 cent, 3 cents, that kind of thing. So early on in the game, they pay you very little, but if you start to excel, then they start to pay you quite a lot there. So you can check out the offers here. There's like Pixel Point TV. Pixel Point TV is very famous for watching videos. Okay, so I could come here and I could literally watch these videos here, but just understand that the way that Pixel Point TV works, roughly, you have to watch about 10 videos to earn 1 cent. Okay, so it is very time consuming, all right? But it is a cool way just to kind of watch videos and make a little bit of money there, right? So you can click around here. Each Offerwall offers different things, right? Lootably, for example, again, it depends on the country. Very, very similar to BitLabs, right? You can earn, you can see here $16 for the word finder puzzle, but very, very similar. You have to complete it, install, open, and complete level 51. I mean, it's going to take you a while to get to level 51 if you can even reach it. All right. Now let's talk about the how you withdraw your money. Let's go to settings right here. Okay, and then you go to payment method, right? And the nice thing about this is that they pay out in a lot of different ways. Okay, Payeer, PayPal, bank transfer, AirTM, Skrill, virtual Visa card, and also Litecoin, and sometimes Bitcoin. It just depends, right? So a lot of cash payouts. They don't really do gift cards, which I like actually, right? I prefer that they pay out cash, and they pay out in a lot of methods that are more available compared to a lot of other GPT websites. A lot of other GPT websites is usually just PayPal and gift cards and maybe Visa, prepaid cards. But these guys, Payeer, PayPal, bank transfer, which is very rare for a GPT website, AirTM, Skrill, these are all real cash methods to withdraw, which is pretty cool. Minimum threshold is $10, okay? So you have to hit $10 before they will actually withdraw to you. The nice thing though is you don't have to do anything. As soon as it hits $10, they will just automatically send it to your payment method of choice. So make sure you come here and fill out your actual details. Like if it's PayPal, you need to fill out your PayPal address, for example, okay? So the big question is how much money can you really make from Timebucks every single day, okay? Well, you've seen basically the different ways to earn, right? And a lot of the time, it really just depends on your luck, really, and your country, okay? Because there are certain tasks where you can earn more than others. So for example, if I were you, I would focus very heavily on the surveys if you can fill out a lot of surveys. I would also focus on the tasks, and I might focus a little bit on the offer walls and play some games if I had some time. Now, if you're doing all of those things, on average, you can expect to earn about between 50 cents and $1 per hour that you work on Timebucks. That's on average, okay? So it's not a lot of money, but it is free and it's global, right? So 50 cents to $1 per hour. Let's just say you spend a couple of hours on this every single day. Then you're averaging between roughly $1 to $2 per day. Okay, so let's just say on the higher side is $2, right? $2 times 30. It's roughly about $60 a month. All right, and that's pretty normal for a GPT website. Expect to earn anywhere from $30 to $60 per month, and that's $60 is on the higher side. All right, so you don't expect to get rich from a website like Timebucks. Timebucks is a good GPT website, right? Pretty standard payouts. For some of the things, it's quite nice. They pay out a little bit more, but in general, it's very standard. You're not going to get rich with this. You can't retire, but it is free. It's global, and if there is no other way for you to earn, you could come here and earn a little bit of extra bonus money just for filling out surveys, doing microtasks, referring people, and playing some games and downloading some offers as well. So if you want to check them out, timebucks.com. Okay, now if you're here watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online, and I've reviewed hundreds of strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? But out of all the good ones, there's one strategy that I think is the best. Really, it changed my life. I used this particular online strategy to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary, right? And this is the strategy that I would recommend if you want to make money online. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass all the way at the bottom. There's a link right there. You can check it out, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of Timebucks. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.